Yeah, all the way up.
I'm not a sadomasochist, so you can cry.
Wow, this is our first meal in Japan. Oh, it's so good. I think I get the system now.
Yeah, I think I get it too.
We were just so confused at the start because I was like, did I just get ramen?
We need to come again so we don't look like that.
The broth is so good. I know. Let me show you the camera my egg.
You feel it?
Yeah, I am. Is it good, is it? It's a beauty blender. So we just finished our first meal.
Not yet.
Jingy's not done yet.
Still got.
What do you rate it out of 10?
Like a
Well, I guess compared to Australia.
oh yeah.
I don't think we can go back to like Australia ramen. Yeah, it was so good. I'm so full. I'm very satisfied. And now she's done. Either.
Yeah.
And she's will go with the beer.
Agile handling. I wrote a list and tore it up of all the things I thought I want, but staring at.
So we spent forever just trying to find dessert. But then we found Mr. Donut, and then we saw that there were Pokemon donuts, and I wanted them.
And they
But
ran
then
out.
the person in front of me
Got the
oh, it was the last one. I know, I was like, what the heck? Yeah, but we got 2 other donuts and they were really good. And we're happy, but we are so tired, so we are just gonna go sleep. And it's only 8 o'clock. It's only 8.
If only for a night, I'm not demanding. I just.
So we're eating at a sushi tray. Yes! I want to show. Is it Takoyaki?
No, do that.
Oh, it actually is done. I'm just gonna eat this now.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. Good.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's really hot, sorry.
What was it?
Really sorry.
I think this one is my favorite one. Now we have this left and we're waiting for tempura. Do you like it, Rima? How about you? Yay! We finished eating and now we're all just really full. I have a food baby, but luckily I'm wearing stretchy pants.
Demanding. I just require a little fragile handling.
So we waited at this place. How long did we wait for?
Nearly half hour.
We waited for nearly half an hour. Yeah. And now we're gonna get all. Want to get off something? Okay.
2 of these.
2.
This and this.
Yeah.
And yeah, the pan fried ones, yeah?
Yeah.
These ones.
Yeah. I'm really excited.
So I'm just gonna try sake for the first time.
And you'll go for a beer, as usual. It's like
Do you like it?
this one's not my favorite.
You look so skeptical.
This one tastes more winey than
Can I try a little bit?
Yeah, I don't know how I feel.
Do you like it or not?
It's not the best.
You don't know how you feel about it?
Yeah, I'm like, it was not bad.
The first time I had it, it tastes like, I thought it tasted like venison a little bit.
Yeah.
No, but this one's not
And
the
Rima's
same.
got her trusty beer. Yeah. Yeah.
What do you think about it?
We'll try it now. Yeah, it's not the same.
Probably chili. Chili.
It's not, it doesn't smell super spicy.
But it is.
It feels so good. Oh my god. What was that?
Steamed, I'm not sure what
She said we ordered it back where I didn't get any of it. But it's alright.
I'll try this one. I probably recommend eating them first because they're very like foggy.
Oh, I hate it when they go like when through one, they go hard.
Oh, that's so good.
So satisfying. Oh, did I get a picture? The satisfying day.
Got some kids. Yay!
Oh, the garlic, that's art. Thank you very much.
Yum. So we just finished eating at the Crepes.
So round.
All of us though.
It was really good. Rima got the matcha one, and it was really. I think that was the best one. I got the apparently second best one, but it was.
I think mine was.
It was good, but like
Basic.
it was very basic and had a lot of cream.
Just like that.
What was it? Matcha brownie.
Matcha brownie chocolate.
Yeah.
No strawberry.
Recommended.
You had
You
that
get like
cookie in it or
fruit.
something.
No strawberry.
Yeah. So we're at 7-Eleven eating breakfast. So Rima got a burger.
Sausage and egg muffin, and a pork bun, and 2 cookies, and a water and a coffee. It was like $5.
I got a sandwich and this and water and pork bun
Sandwich.
and snacks.
And more snacks.
Yum. There's an order to like this. Oh, is it one? I already ripped it. Totally ruined it. That was. It is not how I meant to eat it.
Oh, that was so good.
Toppy.
So fun. Do I have a tissue? I reckon I could eat breakfast here tomorrow and I would be fine with that. I could eat another one of those sausages.
How much was the meal altogether?
692.
Mine was 4.8 minus.
Look at the thick. Look, it's so
I
thick.
know.
With 2 C's. Thick.
Maybe 3. Got the fairy floss.
From Totti Candy Factory.
Oh my god. Oh, nice.
You gotta have blue.
Yeah, we're gonna have blue pea.
So it was 600 yen. I gave the guy 600 yen and there was one already there and he pointed to it. He asked me if I wanted that one and so I said yes and I took his display and then I dropped it and ruined it so he had to throw it out and then he made us a new one and he wasn't even mad.
So me and Rima both got
Long dogs.
long hot dogs. And you got egg.
Look at it.
Cheese.
Cheese dog.
Oh my god, I can't.
Probably is actually like.
Good. I like it.
The tomato sauce is good. I'm trying to say.
So I got a Fanta, but it was a cider. So good. It doesn't taste like, it's like a sweeter version.
It's cold. My teeth is sensitive.
It will be cold. Oh, is it ice cream hard? Okay, I shall update later.
Worked it out yet, Sammy?
Yeah. You can drink like this. Look.
Oh my god.
So dumb.
Are you so done or so dumb?
Yay! Only just eating dinner, so I've got my noodles.
Second pork.
Second pork bun.
It's my third for the day.
Yeah! So today I got the same thing as yesterday, but I got a melon bread. And this drink.
Melon bread.
I've got some healthy bananas and yogurt.
Cool yogurt. I'm.
I'm really just on by that.
Yeah, have some.
And then Rima got.
I got the opposite. I've been thinking about this since yesterday. I really want to eat it. There was only once I got it. I got the, what's this called?
Onigiri.
Onigiri. I got a coffee that is creamy. And I got a, I think it's a coffee.
Oh my god.
I don't know, but I'll try. We'll see.
I'm excited. Yeah, so you do that. I can't feel it. Is that how you do it? So then there's seaweed on the other side. Or maybe you put it all the way up. Oh yeah, I think I got it. Oh, all the way up. I did it. I think I did it.
Oh, yeah, all the way up.
I feel Kwangdong.
Breaking.
That's what happened to me yesterday. Today, my meal cost 619. Okay, pull it all the way up and around, like down. I'm teaching everyone now. And then all the way up. You like it? Possible that I'm gonna try another flavor, but then I did it. Yeah.
Like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day.
I got the squid. I got the pork. I'll try it. Thoughts? Today just got orange juice. How was it? Did you like it? That's good. Very fresh.
Face doesn't look like it, but
Yeah, we just got some takoyaki. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ready? Yeah, I'll get it.
great angle, Sammy. Is it good?
Oh, hot.
Very hot. Be careful. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna bite into it. So, what is bonito? Don't know.
Oh, it's so good, but it's so hot.
You took it out of her mouth. Oh, hot. Hot. How do you look, Sammy? Good. Try different ones.
Yeah.
I want to try 2 then. 2? I'll try
3.
I'll try. Okay, I'm gonna try something high. I want to try 5.
Okay.
And then we can see if it's different.
Sarima got 7, Jingy got
2,
2, and I got 4. So let's try it. Yeah?
This one tastes normal, if not a little bit not strong enough.
Okay. I want to try my one now. So we got our curry. Oh, and Rima got hers. Yum.